Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change phone number in TikTok. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to TikTok application in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in TikTok homepage, okay, go to me on the lower right side on your screen. And after that guys, okay, go to 3 dot on the upper right side on your screen. Click this. And okay guys, here in settings and privacy, okay, you can see the manage account. Okay, click this. And now here in manage account, okay, you can see the phone number. Okay guys, to change this phone number, okay, you'll have to do is click phone number, and the pop-up will show and verify phone number. Before you change your phone number, verify your current number. So okay, you'll have to do is click send code to verify your phone number. So okay guys, if your phone number is inserted to this mobile phone, okay, your code is automatically received by this phone numbers. Okay guys, and now you can enter the new phone number. Okay, so okay guys, don't worry, your number used to log in or recover your password, your number won't be shown publicly. So okay guys, enter your phone numbers. And okay guys, after you enter the phone number, okay, you'll have to do is click send code button. So okay guys, if your phone number is inserted to this phone or mobile phone, so okay, this code is automatically enter and automatically change your phone number. And okay guys, that's it. Your phone number is changed in your TikTok account. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.